Hello everybody, Abdel here, and welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. Now if you liked my banana nut muffin video last week, then you're going to love this video because I'm going to make banana bread for you all today. Here are all the ingredients and tools we're going to be using for this dessert. For the tools part, a large mixing bowl, a loaf pan, a whisk, a rubber spatula. Not these though, I don't know why they're here. Oh yeah, I was using to prepare the ingredients. Which are a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, 8.5 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 mashed bananas, 1 2/3 cups of flour, and 3.5 ounces of chocolate chips. Now before we get started, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And in case you didn't know, I started putting my videos on TikTok now. So I'll leave a link to my TikTok account in the description below, so you can see it for yourself. With all that out of the way, let's get started. Okay. First, we put in our bowl our sugar, our dark brown sugar, and our 2 eggs. And use our whisk to mix it in all together. After that, we mix in our flour, our baking powder, our salt, our melted butter, our mashed bananas, and our chocolate chips. Then we mix it all in. With our whisk, like so. Now with our ingredients together, we bring it into our loaf pan. But before doing so, always coat the loaf pan with butter to prevent the batter from sticking. Then we bring our mixture onto the pan, like so. Now we bring our banana bread onto the oven, which is preheated at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we leave it in for 50 minutes. Oops. Okay, now that our 50 minutes are up, we take You take our banana bread out of the oven, like so. Remove it from the heat. Now, before we consider this dish done, we should always check it first. We use a one toothpick or skewer and plant it deep into the bread. If it comes out dry, it's done. If it's not, it needs more time. It's gonna need a little more time. Let's put it back in for another 5 minutes. Alright, it's been another 5 minutes. Let's check again. And aside from the melting chocolate, looks like banana bread is fully cooked. Well, everybody, that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. And don't forget, I have a TikTok now, and I'll be posting my videos on there along with YouTube. So if you haven't checked it out already, check out the link in the description below. Oh, and see it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bon appetit!